The question that is often asked is, what is the difference between the state and the federal governments? Well, that's a very good question, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Imagine the United States like a big company, and to make it run well, there are two main bosses or levels of government. First, we have the federal government. Now, this is like the CEO for the whole country. Its job is to make big decisions and rules for everyone in every state. Think about what the federal government does. Why, first, it handles the things that affect all of us. For example, it prints the money we use. It manages the military that protects us, and it deals with all other countries. Then we have the state governments. Now, each state like California or New York has its own government. These are like the branch managers for each state. State governments make rules for things that are only important for their state. For example, they decide how schools work. They manage local police departments, and they take care of the local roads. These things can be a little different from one state to another. Now, so how do the federal and the state governments, how do they work together? Now, this system is called the federalism. It means the power is shared. The federal government has certain jobs, and the state governments, they have different jobs. It's like having two sets of rules that work together, with the CEO setting the overall direction and the branch managers handling the local operations. Now, usually if there's a big problem and the federal law and the state law are different, the federal law is stronger. It's like the CEO's decision is the final one for the whole company. Now, to summarize what we have talked about, the federal government handles national issues for the whole country. And the state governments, they handle local issues for only their state. They work together and they share the power to keep everything running smoothly. I hope this helps you understand now the relationship a little bit better between the federal and the state governments. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more future videos just like this one. Hey, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.